Hey all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So, so as you all would be knowing that I have been posting, it's been close to 2 months that I have been posting integration videos and LinkedIn post in my like you can see like it's been 2 months I have been posting videos on integration and LinkedIn post, and it's from scratch. Like it contains everything. Okay, so yeah, and also I can assist you if you are stuck anywhere. You can check out the comments. I do reply also on LinkedIn. Also there is a WhatsApp group. If you have not joined yet and you are interested, you can join. So yeah, so you can see it has everything like roadmap. There is all the scripted REST APIs, all the methods, authentication, authorization, dynamic inputs, testing, positive, negative. So catalog in catalog request integration also is there. Like yeah, interview questions, different types of API are also covered. Import set API, transform script. There are two parts on that. Then also setup I have done for receiving mails in PDI, which I think is phenomenal. You must check that out. It will help you a lot for testing. Okay, this email sending and receiving thing. Inbound email action. After setting up, I also demonstrated it using email API and inbound email action. Then outbound integration, two videos I have set up. So it's been like 17 videos already in this list, and 18 if you like 18 videos on this list since this is marked as day 0. So yeah, so I wanted a change of topic. I'll continue to post here, means flow designer and some third party integrations also have to post, and some other things which I have planned I'll post, but I wanted a change of topic for now. So I've started this interview prep playlist, and I show that in this video is in this post I shared. Okay, yeah, in this post I shared. So this was ITSM interview questions part 2. Okay. Yeah. So this was ITSM interview questions part 2, and in the comment, and the questions are very real. They are completely real time use cases. Send email only to group members if assignment group is set. Trigger notification. Like they are real good. Okay. Create a UI action to reopen a closed incident. Autofill category and subcategory. So they are real good. Okay. And then in the comment section, I've also shared the link for part 1. So in this playlist, I am gonna implement these use cases and show to you. And trust me, it's gonna be good. Like it's gonna be helpful to the people who are already in this field, or who just want to hone their skills like me. So I just want to hone my skills, and that's why I'm starting this playlist. And also, it will help a lot of people, I'm sure. Okay, because being a community member, I already know the questions that come, the real time projects that they work on. So I already know all that. In the WhatsApp also, I come across a lot of questions. So yeah, this is what I'm going to show you. So let's take up first one. How can you change the color of short description field only for particular role or when incident is high priority? I already so let me first explain you. So in the incident form, you can see this priority field, right? And this priority field. So when it changes, so when it changes to too high, I want the color of the short description field to change to red. The background color of the short description field to change to red. I took this because I think the same I was asked in my interview. Yeah, you can change it to any field by implementing any field. You can take category, subcategory, service, whatever, any field you can take, and you can practice this, or you can implement this in your project if you have requirement or so, whatever. So yeah, and I have also taken some demo screenshot. This is what I want on the form, and this is about the list. So two ways I'm going to show you, and these are different. This is for the list view and this is for the form view. Okay, so yeah, so when it changes, I want the background color to change to red. First, this I'll show, and second, this I'll show. Like in the list view, when the priority is high, the short description should have this mark. Okay, so let's just implement it. So since it is on the form, I will be using client scripts, and I will be using on change client script on the field priority. Okay, so that I will be able to tap that when its priority changes to high. Okay. Yeah. So let's begin. So table is incident, UI type is desktop. It doesn't really matters in this use case whether I put it to all or desktop, because I only want this to implement it on the platform. But if you are working on service portal, that is on catalog client scripts, you must remember to change this. Why? Because why? Because it happens like this is a very common error that people do, and the client script doesn't works. So yeah, in our case I'm just changing it to all, but it doesn't really matter. Okay. Yeah, so let's just save it. And the method that I'm going to use here will be get control. Like I have already opened this in the ServiceNow docs. Like get control will return you the HTML element for the specified field. Okay, it will return you the HTML element for the specified field, and once you are having HTML, you will be able to modify its styling and everything, right? So that's what I'm gonna tap onto. So let's begin. Like if so the backend value of priority is 2, so that's what I am using. And since it will be returning you the HTML of the specified element, I'm tapping it into this variable. I'm storing it in this variable. So short description and HTML short equal to, sorry, I want dot style dot. Now you can see we have a lot of options here. Sorry. Background attachment, background clip, background color, image, origin, position, means a lot of things we have here. Okay, so it depends on what's your requirement. My was background color, so that's what I am gonna use. Sorry, equal to red. Yeah, so this much, only this much is what is required for the first one, which is on the form. Well, meanwhile it saves. Let's just open incident.form and test this out, and also open incident.list. Okay, the form is already loaded. So hi, and let's put it to 2. So yeah, so you can see the color of the short description field changed to red. Yeah, this was our requirement as it changed. And let's just open any this field, sorry, any this form. Now if you okay, one, so I think the form wasn't loaded, that's why. Wait, yeah, now it's loaded. Let's change it to, yeah. So you can see the short description field color is changing. Now if you also wanted to work on loading, means on loading the same thing, then you can just remove this from here, remove this from here, and it will also work on loading. Okay, yeah, I'm not showing it, that you can test it out. You can remove this and you will see that it will also work on loading. Means if there are any existing incidents which are having priority is too high, for them also the short description field color will change. Means even if you are not changing anything on the form, then also its field color will change if you have removed this is loading from here. Okay, so that was it about that. Now let's let me, okay, for the list view, let me just show you why I'm implementing that. Yeah, so I just showed you for 108, right? um or this only, this also you can see that it is too high, but in short description there is no such red mark. So how are you going to identify from the list view? That remains a question here. This is because only on the form. So for the list view, second method. Okay, for the list view means this one. Okay, uh yeah, so for this one we are going to configure a style. Okay, there is none exists on the field of short description, so we will create it. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, so the table is incident, field name is short description. The value field contains the condition. Okay. So it will be JavaScript, and I want like current dot priority equal to 2. Yeah, so this is the condition we give, and it is working on server side. JavaScript current dot priority equal to 2. On the this I just want background color and red. That's it. Let's just save it, and hmm, let's refresh the list once. Yeah, so you can see red here. Its priority was too high, and short description is having red here. So as you can see, our both the requirements are fulfilled. Mm, yeah. So this was my first requirement, which I had shown you already. Let me just change it. One. Okay, the form is not loaded. Yeah, one, and this also two. Yeah, so first requirement was this one, and the second requirement was this one, which I have already shown. So please like, share and subscribe. That is it for today. If you learned anything new from this video, please like, share and subscribe again. Thank you so much. Bye bye.